Hello, I'm Dr. Tom Wheeler with Johnson County Community College, Electronics Technology. You might wonder why Johnson County Community College? Well, we have the preeminent program in electronics technology in the state of Kansas. Our graduates are in high demand in a wide variety of areas, including general manufacturing, defense electronics, avionics, and even biomedical electronics. We are primarily a 2-year associate degree option. And when folks complete the program, they are qualified to be entry-level electronics technicians. Electronic technicians fill many roles, including troubleshooting, prototyping, servicing, configuring, and maintaining all kinds of electronics. Career outlook for electronics technology is excellent. Most of our graduates almost have immediate offers of employment from our industry partners. So if you're interested, get in touch with us. You can visit our website at www.jccc.edu.